Hey guys, Victor here checking in. Just to give you a short review on Jordan Mackey's Buy 9 to 5 course. I had purchased the YouTube Advanced Masterclass a couple months ago, and it made a big difference for me. I learned a lot about YouTube. For one, I learned about, within this course, I learned about how to choose a niche, how to edit videos properly, how to get around copyright bots, how to get instantly monetized, for one, and that's another thing. Downloading, where to download videos and how to download videos, what tools I could use. I learned the basics of YouTube, then from all the way to the advanced. My YouTube journey, I had a monetized channel. Unfortunately, it was due to my mistakes that I got demonetized, which I'm not ashamed to say. It's for information purposes. I don't have no problem saying that, because I was using other people's stuff and I wasn't edited properly. So when I went over the course again, it showed me, Jordan Mackey showed me how to edit the videos properly, get around copy bots and all that stuff to make the video my own. So and overall the course was very helpful. It's originals, one of a kind. It's one of the first out there. So yeah, I found Jordan Mackey's course to be very helpful. I think anybody who takes the time and takes the time and apply the information, apply the knowledge that you've acquired within the course, you can't see nothing but success. And that's being sincere. I'm still on my YouTube journey. The most I've made before I got demonetized was $10, which, you know, it's nothing. But at the same time, it does show me that everything is possible and the course does work. So once again, just another shout out to Jordan Mackey. Thanks for the info. Thanks for the information. Thanks for the course. Thanks for the knowledge. And yeah, I'm on my way. Peace.